Good morning, everybody. Happy Monday. How's everyone doing today? Let us know in the chat. It was a pretty quiet week last week. We're back for another one. Let us know if you can hear us. Unfortunately, one of our mics isn't working. Just let us know if you can hear us both if we're speaking like this.
Good morning, everyone. Happy Monday. What's going on, boys? What's going on? Good morning, Will.
What's up, Will? Good morning, brother. Good morning, Gaza. Omakassim.
So, today I want to elaborate and speak a lot about the past week and all the lessons that we have took from last week and what fundamentals have we had over the weekend with Iran and the peace deal and all of that. I see there's a lot of striking happened over the weekend. So I think market is going to be really good in my opinion this week. So to this session that we're going to do today and the next session is going to be really helpful for you guys. We're going to give you weekly targets, how we can get into some positions today and tomorrow and ride it into the weekly target. Hopefully they can become swings into our weekly target. We're going to be speaking about why me personally stayed out of the market last week, and I'll explain to you and show you some examples, and we're going to talk about risk management and portfolio management and all of that. Thomas, you want to start?
Yeah, let me run you guys quickly through some fundamentals. So this week, let's take a look here. So at the moment this week we don't have really much today. So we just have FOMC, Bauman speaking, Waller speaking. We have MPC member full speaks, and then federal budget balance at 8 p.m. this evening. Then tomorrow we have CPI on the US dollar. We have monthly, we have yearly. So pretty volatile day incoming tomorrow. Fed Chairman Walsh is going to also testify tomorrow, so it's going to be pretty big. And then on Wednesday we have core PPI and we have FOMC Chairman Walsh testifying again. And then on GBP we don't look to have any high impact news at the moment. And then on Thursday we have GBP, GDP monthly, and then we have core retail sales. We have retail sales and unemployment claims. There's an echo. There's not really possible to be an echo. There's only one mic, so it's not possible. And then on Friday we have just prelim consumer settlement. So we do have quite a lot of news coming in this week, but honestly, all of these news events are just going to increase volatility, and that's exactly what we're looking for in the market. It's just going to drive, if we have direction right, drive our price to where it wants to go quicker. So nothing too concerning on the fundamental side. It's something that we can look forward to see more volume and volatility in the market. Last week was pretty quiet. It is normal to be quite quiet on FOMC week, and the next week normally picks up quite nicely. What are your thoughts for this week on all of the fundamentals coming in, King Azoulay?
What fundamentals do we have? We have PPI.
We have CPI, PPI, unemployment claims.
FOMC member?
No, it's just FOMC member.
Okay. Is this all the fundamentals we have this week?
No, we have a lot. So today we have basically nothing. Tomorrow we have all the CPIs. We have Fed Chairman Walsh testifying, and then BOE government barely speaking.
CPI tomorrow?
Yeah, CPI tomorrow, PPI on Wednesday.
Okay, so we're expecting a quiet day today, basically.
And then retail sales, unemployment claims on Thursday, and then Friday we've just got.
Oh, that's gonna be a banger week, boys. We're gonna make a lot of money. Come on, let's go. All right, BTC this weekend.
Good morning, Jason.
Good morning. Good morning. BTC, boys. Very interesting. Very interesting movement. I've marked some shorts last night and it played out perfectly. And yeah, I'm gonna run you through BTC in a bit. Thomas, you wanna run them through your stuff? What you're looking for technically, and then I'll take over from there.
You can go first. It's fine.
Sure. So guys, I'm gonna elaborate on BTC now, and then I'm going to elaborate on all the currency pairs and all of that in the next show, which we're going to be doing in New York Open. So it's very simple, very straightforward. So guys, looking at this market condition, let's start with the weekly. All right. So weekly, what do we have on weekly, guys? We have taken out previous 2 weeks high. We have taken out last week high. No, we have not. So I just want to go ahead and mark this high over here. So we go ahead and mark this, right? So you guys remember what I've said about previous week high, which was this one, right? So we have a high over here and we have a high over here. So I said to you guys, when it get broken, what do? We adjust it, which we did to over here. And if it gets broken again, I'll put a buy stop just above to go higher. So it will be like around the 800, which never got triggered. And our weekly target is 65,500, around there. As long as we maintain below 66,500, we good. So we're gonna go to the weekly target. We're gonna look for slippage to the upside. Market will slip to the upside. And then we can look to ride it to the downside, all right? So with that being said, we don't need this line. We don't need this line. Actually, I want to keep this line on. And take this one out, take this one out. So guys, overall for me, market is bullish on BTC. For at least until we hit 6,500.500. Once we hit that, we can look to rally to our main target, which is 55,200. All right. So what am I looking for? So what option one is, we can get a push to the downside, create a M formation, all right,